This is Harley Davidson 2002 1450cc Dyna. It's a project bike. I don't know the history of it, but I can tell you what I can see now. It's got no carburetor, so I haven't started it. There's no key. There's a cable wrapped up round here, but I think that's a spare cable for the throttle. But the front brake works on it. The back brake, just nothing there. Feels like it needs bleeding. Looks like it came from California. Possibly was on the road last in 2007. I've selected the gears by rocking it. The engine turns over by rocking it in gear, and the clutch frees up. Don't know the miles. It's all blank there, no electric. So the tank's good condition, seat. Pretty much all there, apart from the carb. So it's a project. If you're interested, if it's available, it'll be on eBay or our website, classicandclassymotorcycles.com.